Sports on Air.
Yun nga, give credit lang to my coaches and my teammates. They never give up on me. And they still believe in me kahit na the whole day I'm really struggling. And then, sabi ko nga, isang open shot lang, makuha ko lang yung rhythm ko.
Then sabi ni Bong kanina, kahit ako get is yung dapat tumapos ng game. Ano lang masasabi mo una sa performance niya na first medyo umabot yung
in this series, we need everyone to win against Ginebra. Lahat talaga kailangan mag-produce, hindi pwedeng may bad game. Mahirap manalo pag may isa or dalawa sa amin nag-struggle. Kailangan talaga tulong-tulong. Ang lakas ng team nila and yung lineup nila talagang yung sistema pa ni Coach Tim. So talagang kailangan lahat makapag-contribute.
Alain, it's been said time and again na close-out games are the hardest games. So heading into Game 7, how will you guys approach it? It's win or go home this Friday.
Yun. Game 7, all out. Yun lang naman eh. It comes to whoever really determined, yung talagang gustong manalo, yung bibigay lang magpapakamatay para manalo. Yun yung magbibigay ng difference. Sabi nga ni Coach Tim when I was playing sa Sunmid, nagkakasama kami. We fought a lot. Game 7 and do or die. Dami namin. Sabi niya, it comes to the players talaga. Kung paano mo i-execute. Alam niya na lahat ng game plan ng kalaban, lahat ng binabatong depensa. Alam niya na yan. It's all about the players who really wanted to win. That will parang came out with a victory.
Gaano ka poetic ba na kung sino yung coach na nagsabi sa'yo about Game 7? Siya yung makakalaban mo this Game 7 outside?
It's really hard talaga na kalaban si Coach Tim kasi he's a really genius in terms of coaching system and strategies. Tapos sa pa sila Coach Richard, yung tandem nila talagang magaling talaga. So imagine how many championships and yung percentages of winning nila, di ba? So we really have to be prepared and talagang kailangan namin walang lapses dun sa talagang kailangan well execution, game plan. So yun.
Ano Game 7?
Game 7. Wala. Pero yun yung mga do or die kasama sila James, sila DJ, sila Joe and Tim. Pero yun, backup lang ako ng time na yun. So ito, kailangan talaga paghandaan sa veteran, kailangan mag-step up during those moments. Yun yung nakita ko nung kasama ko sila James, sila Tim. Step up talaga sila pag Game 7, pag do or die. Makikita mo talaga yung game nila. Talagang napapanalo nila yung game.
Habang umiinit ang mga laban sa inyong mga paboritong liga, mag-register sa 1xBet. Pwede nyo gamitin ang inyong browser o cellphone mapa Android man o iOS. Gamitin nyo lang ang inyong mobile number o email at huwag nyo kalimutan ilagay ang promo code na SPONAIR. Kapag ginawa nyo yan, pwede kayo magkaroon ng bonus up to 7,000 pesos. Pwede nyo rin gamitin ang GCash or PayMaya account nyo para makadeposit or cash out. Simple lang, di ba? Kaya mag-register na sa 1xBet. Thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified with our latest videos.